Hi, this is Kibo, and this is the previously promised unboxing of the SD Nightingale. Here's the box again. So first up is the inner box. You'll notice this sign. I don't remember what it meant. I think it was somebody's name. Vegeta mentioned it before, Vegeta 8259. But you open this up and you get your parts. So you'll notice that I actually have a couple pieces kind of loose. I guess during the transport it kind of disconnected from the actual runner itself. Not a big deal though. So this is plate, I assume this says B, I'm not too sure. In terms of quality, it's a little bit softer than the Bandai ones, but quality looks pretty good. The panel lines are pretty deep and consistent. Same with the detailing. Yep, another loose piece. This is the A plate. You'll notice some stickers. And you have the manual. It's colored. Well, at least the first 2 pages are colored. And you'll see it's kind of reflective. This is a fully painted. This is just a separator. And here you have the C plate, which is also red. The E plate, which is it's not really white, it's more like a grayish color. Again, there's several loose pieces, but I'm sure based on the manual you can figure out which part is which. And I think this gunmetal color is actually an F plate. It's a brownish gunmetal color. And they actually included some batteries for you. Not sure if you can see it, but it's hiding behind right here and with the LED. On this side you have, you have the G plate. Mostly the thrusters or funnels, or not too sure what they're called, the little spikes, and there are 2 of them. And again, you got the brownish gunmetal color, which is the D plate, and again you have 2 of them as well. So that's it for all the parts, and I'm done with the unboxing, so see you next time.